What's up, guys? It's your girl Reese. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We talk about fashion, sometimes beauty, mostly fashion, with tips and tricks to elevate your life and wardrobe. So today, I wanted to apologize. I missed out on last week's video because I was sick. So there was no filming and no anything. I was a hot mess, if you guys saw on stories. But today on the channel, we're doing something that I haven't done in a while because I haven't shopped or done this kind of shopping in a while. But we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new babes. So in the past couple years, I've definitely changed in terms of bag shopping. I used to really be into the super trendy pieces and purchase them a lot more. I definitely had like the Gucci bag era when it came out, or when it came full circle back in and everyone was buying Gucci. I think that year I bought like 3 Gucci bags, 3 pairs of Gucci shoes, Gucci clothes, Gucci accessories. It was just so much Gucci. Anyways, all of the bags were small and I realized I don't really do small bags anymore because I don't really go anywhere that requires small bags. So I still have a couple that I've saved in my closet, but for the most part, I'm a big bag girl. I have a day job, so I carry my laptop sometimes and carry notebooks, and then if I have somewhere to go right after, I carry a change of clothes or whatever. I just like being able to put my whole friggin' house in my bag. So during the Gucci phase of mine, I did buy the Gucci fanny pack because it was so in. I thought it was really, really cute, and to my surprise, being a huge bag girl, I really liked the no hands that a fanny pack gives you. Or does that even make sense? I really liked not having to use my hands. That's what I meant. So I bought that one in red. My first mistake was I definitely should have gone with black, but I have so much black that I was like, you should get a color one, and I did, and I don't really wear it with much because it doesn't really go with much. But yeah, basically I really enjoyed the fact that I didn't have to use hands. I could just attach it to myself, but I didn't like how like a little more dressy this one is, and the color choice, and how puny it is really, that can't fit anything. This is my phone. Yeah, not really functional. Anyways, so I decided that I needed another fanny pack, something that was a little more casual, that could also be dressed up, and definitely black this time. So a couple of my friends that I follow on Instagram, I will paste them on the screen here. Jill from the August Diaries for sure, but this stylist girl, Sasha Alina, both of them have this fanny pack from Wang, and I was like, I need it because you guys keep taking pictures in it and keep doing stories wearing it, and it's the cutest thing ever. So after shopping around and deciding between, I think it came down to like a Burberry one and this one, I went with this one because it's leather, and the Burberry one was polyester. So I was like, no, and the prices were pretty close. So the Burberry one, it was $820, and the Wang one was $950. So when I did decide that I was gonna buy it, it was sold out everywhere. It was sold out on the Wang website. It was sold out on Shopbop, on Essence, on, you know, all my online sites. So I ended up finding it on the RealReal, which brings me to I ended up finding it on the RealReal, and this is actually my first purchase on the RealReal. I have done other consignment purchases before for designer pieces, clothes, and another handbag. That's it. But in person, never online. So this was like my first consignment piece that I bought online, and it was a very easy transaction. The photos are true photos, so they don't just take photos from the website of the product and put it on there. So all the photos are true photos, and you get to see like all the like scratches or imperfections on the product. You pay a little money to get it authenticated, so that's good. It makes you feel a little safer about your secondhand purchase. So let's get to this. I keep talking. Bag! Okay, so it came with a box. I didn't even know that Wang gives boxes for bags because I have had 2 other ones, and I bought them at Holt and Nordstrom, and they just came with a dust bag. But yeah, so here's a dust bag, box tissue paper, here's my new baby. It is pretty big. So this is the Attico large size or full size, whatever. So yeah, it is in pretty good condition. There were a couple scratches on it, and then I scratched it with my nails. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Because me and lambskin leather really don't work, but it's okay. It'll just have to do. It came with a card, like the authentication stuff. Yep, right here. And true to the advertisement, it did have a little bit of a makeup stain on the inside of the back pouch, but I mean, it's the inside. No exterior stains or anything, so it is pretty lovely. And I mean, so many different ways to wear it. You can wear it around your waist. You can wear it like over your shoulder like this. Which I think would be my favorite style because this is really hands-free. Like, I can do whatever I want with my hands, hands-free. And then you can wear it, how I've seen the Instagrammers I follow wear it like this, like a bag, which is super chic too. And I think when they wear it like this, it's like a little more dressed up. But yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed, and it's huge. I mean, again, let's do size comparison to my phone. That's why I'm not allowed to have nice things. I'm so harsh and like abrupt and I break things. But yeah, so it's huge. It has like 100 pockets. I lie, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Do these work? Oh, 6 pockets, girl. 6. I don't even have enough stuff to put in here. But yeah, anyways, so this is my newest purchase and I'm super excited. I think this is going to be a forever piece for me, even if it goes when fanny packs go back out of style. It's black and it's leather, so I feel like you could keep this and then pass it down to somebody, or like sell it one day, or pull it out in 20 years and fanny packs come back in and it won't be out of style, versus like the Supreme ones, like Supreme, but hypebeast stuff might not come back in style. So I think this is a little more forever. So anyways, thanks for watching my little unboxing of my new babe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time for another fashion video.